Hey everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use Shopify POS Smart Grid Editor. In this video, I will show you how to customize your Shopify POS layout. First of all, let's open the Shopify POS app on your device. Once you are logged in, navigate to the home screen and tap on the settings button. From the options, select Smart Grid. After that, in the Smart Grid editor, you will see a blank grid or your current layout. To add a layout, tap on Create New. A list of available features will pop up and such as popular products collection and frequently used app. Simply select the one you want and it will appear on your grid. To rearrange your shortcuts, press and hold any till until it lifts. Then drag it to your position where you want. Once you are happy with your grid layout, tap Apply and then tap Save at the top right of the screen. Your new layout will now appear on your home screen, making your workflow much smoother during sales. And that's it. You have now customized your Shopify POS or POS layout with the Smart Grid Editor. Thanks for watching and happy selling.